Hi everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. I'm using 100% mercerized cotton yarn and seed beads. In this video you will see how to crochet simple cord with seed beads. And now I show you how threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. For this you need sewing needle, working yarn and your seed beads. Here how it looks on my yarn. I remind you I'm using 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. All information about the seed beads could be found in the description of this video tutorial. I take sewing needle and put the yarn through the sewing needle. Take one seed beads and pull it through. I take two more and pull it through. It is very easy to make. Take seed bead 1, 2, 3, 4 and pull it through. Next time I will show you how to make the cord using these seed beads, ball of yarn and my crochet hook. If you don't like seed beads, you can visit my YouTube channel and find tutorials for yourself. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the chain and pull it. I will not use it. Take seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. I take 4 seed beads. Make a chain with seed beads. Turn the work, make a chain. Continue, take 4 seed beads. Yarn over the hook behind the seed beads. Make a chain with seed beads. Turn the work. Then make a chain. Continue. Insert the hook between first and the second seed beads. Make double crochet. I will not repeat 2 small segments. Once I have done the double crochet, take 4 seed beads, make chain with seed beads, turn the work, then make a chain, yarn over the hook. I skip 1 seed bead and make double crochet between these two. Take seed beads. I take 4 of them. Yarn over the hook behind the seed beads, make a chain. Then turn the work, make a chain, yarn over the hook and make double crochet after the first seed bead. Here what I have at this point. Let's make some more segments. Take 4 seed beads, make chain with seed beads. turn the work, then make a chain, yarn over the hook, make double crochet between these two, make a chain with 4 seed beads, turn the work like this, make a chain, yarn over the hook and make double crochet. Take 4 seed beads, make chain with seed beads, turn the work, make a chain, and make double crochet. Here what I have at this point, it is beautiful and unusual at the same time. Take 4 seed beads, make a chain with seed beads, turn the work, make a chain, and make double crochet between 2 seed beads. So continue working as many segments as you need for your cord. Here what I have at this point, my cord is almost ready, I just need to finish it, and now I show you how to complete my project. Once I have done double crochet, I don't use my seed beads, make a chain, and make double crochet between these 2 seed beads. Well done. To secure the yarn by making a chain and pull it. I already cut off my yarn. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew the stuff for the jewelry, or you can remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the work using the sewing needle or crochet hook. Let's stop and look what I have done. I remind you, all information about the tools could be found in the description. My project is ready. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. For this project, you just need to know how to work with basic stitches, such as double crochet chains, slip stitches, and single crochet. This is double-sided work. You can use it like a bracelet, necklace, or belt, or another accessories for yourself, or it could be like a decoration for home. All additional information about the tools, useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. I remind you, before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. I always like to read your comments. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!